How do you claim your pleasure? Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr.Mitali, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist practicing since 6 years, and on this beautiful YouTube channel we talk about periods, hormones, reproductive health, pleasure and so much more. In today's video we will be reviewing interesting and fun product from MsChief. You know, after a whole day of work, disturbed sleep, hectic hours and stress, you need to up level your self-care game. If you are feeling those overwhelming feelings and stressed out, I get it. Sometimes I get into those too. We have fun, easy and exciting way to shake that out. I have been loving MsChief products, as you know that I have done a video prior. Again, I was looking for something quirky and funny. After thoroughly checking and scrolling past, I found the one. Allow me to introduce to you MsChief Vibrato massager. Are you ready to spark up your self-care routine? Here we have Vibrato, your new self-care companion. Trust me, you would love to stick around this one. Let's talk first things first. The outer slim and chic design and the beautiful pastel color says it all. It has this ribbed texture tip to enhance the pleasure and flexible end to allow all sort of movements. It is made up of body safe silicone, which is why you know that you are in safe hands. Let me demonstrate it for you. It is kind of a surprise that you would like to give yourself again and again. And you can't miss this out. Can you hear that? It has a quiet motor, which means you can enjoy yourself without letting people know about the same. Let's get into the fun part. MsChief Vibrato massager has multiple settings. Whether you want a gentle hum to a powerful buzz, it has got you covered. It has 10 different frequencies and 5 speeds to enhance your pleasure. You can begin from gentle buzz. It's all about what you are in mood for. Switching setting is one of the easiest tasks you can find. Another feature that will excite you is waterproof device that helps in plan your water play with ease. Perfect for adventurous time both in bath and shower. Look at the ribbed end, which is all set for that fun, and you can't miss the ripples. How it works? To turn on, you just need to press the button for 1 to 2 seconds and it's on. To change the setting, you can press on this and it will change the settings. It enhances the pleasure of the clit and G-spot from both the side, internal or external play. To turn it off, hold and press the same button for 1 to 2 seconds. The most exciting part is it is not only for solo play but for couple play as well to spice up your game. It comes with a charging cable. Just insert the pin, join in and switch it on. It will get fully charged within 1 hour. It provides playtime of 1.5 hours, which means you can enjoy your sessions without any interruption. This isn't just about pleasure but feeling good, improving sleep and reducing stress, you name it. You can consider it as a key part of your wellness routine. For even exciting experience, you can pair it up with water-based lubricants as well. And you are ready for the comfortable, smooth glide. Because of its chic and stylish design, you can put it and store it easily. You can take MsChief Vibrato as your own superhero to bring out much needed joy within yourself. Why wait? Place an order of your own MsChief Vibrato and experience big earth-shattering O's now. Order now and be part of this amazing community, because you deserve that happiness as well. Let's talk about few frequently asked questions, shall we? 1. Is it safe to use? Absolutely, it is made from body safe silicone, so when washed and stored properly, it won't lead to any infections. Talking about its effects on periods or fertility, well, there are no short-term or long-term effects on the same. It won't lead to any significant impact on your blood flow, color and consistency of period blood. It won't have any impact on your nerve endings or pleasure points. 2. How long will it take to charge completely? Well, it takes 1 hour approximately to charge. 3. How to store? Well, after using it in a solo or a couple play, wash it with mild detergent and soap, make it dry and store properly. Still have more questions? Well, feel free to ask them in the comment section below and claim your pleasure with MsChief Vibrato now.